Hello and thank you for joining us for E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Bacchanal Rebirth. Bacchanal Jamaica has partnered with the Frenchman team to offer a premium experience with exclusive treatment to be celebrated under the theme Rebirth. Exotic costumes with added variety and offerings to the Bacchanal events calendar. Bacchanal New Year takes place on December 29 at the Mass Camp.
We had such a great year for 2017. We really was, the road parade was seamless. And when we sat down, we said, guys, how are we going to take it to the next level? So we kind of sat down and said, let us really look at what we have done. Let us see how we're going to make it to the next level, because we felt that we had really topped ourselves this year. Took a lot of planning, a lot of work, but we did it. We were the biggest road party and everything went off. Execution was really good. So when we sat down, we said, oh, how we going to top this? So that's why we said, let's rebirth it and start again and see how we can make it even better. We were one of the first to know that we're doing a breakfast party, which is a first for us. We're also doing something in Kingston. Normally our beach party is in Ochi, and we're doing something in Kingston this year, so something by the water.
On Friday, February 16, Mass Camp again comes alive as the Bacchanal session kicks off with Bacchanal Fridays. Beach Juve happens at the Grizzlies Plantation Cove, while Bacchanal Juve and Road March will take the streets of Kingston on April 6 and 8, respectively. Charlie goes universal. Dancehall artist Charlie Black is building on his international appeal after his diamond certified single Party Animal put big numbers on Spotify with over 100 million streams and securing an appearance on the popular Wendy Williams show. Charlie has managed to land a multi-album recording deal with American record label After Club Dance Lab, Universal Music Latin Entertainment last month. The Trelawney-born DJ has secured a multi-album deal with no expiration date, so he's not in any rush with his productions. Fans can expect, however, his debut album from Universal in 2018. The diamond-selling hit song Party Animal was produced by DJ Kurt Riley, released in 2014, and the music video came in early 2015. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.